let's head over straight to Norway. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another reaction video by your African queen. Yes, on this space I react to top-notch musical videos, trending videos, random videos. I'm very sure you all are going to love it. You want to stick around by hitting on that subscribe button to be part of this family, and if you love what I do on the space, no pressure, you want to hit on that love dollar sign to support me, or you can as well buy me a coffee. Today I saw a very disheartening news on Norway is freezing. Massive snowstorm hits southern Norway. You all know I usually react on Norway in this channel. You want to go and check out my previous videos I've done about Norway. Let's watch this video together while I react to it.
A massive snowstorm hit southern Norway, most municipalities along the coast, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tvedestrand, Riser and Arendal, had decided to keep schools closed at least through Wednesday because of the weather conditions.
Avkortning hvis dere ikke har måkt taket. Han styrte opp.
Guys, can you see the snow? It's so much. How are they going to survive? Like, how? It's so much. It is freezing. Like, even where I am currently, it's not snowing, but even the cold, I cannot really cope with it. I'm just managing. Just imagine I'm in a place that is snowing this much. How are they going to go about their daily activities? I even doubt if they're even going to have lights.
The Red Cross made extra ambulances available in case of emergencies, and more than a dozen snowmobiles were put into service to transport medical teams if necessary. The snow had kept falling through the night and Tuesday, forcing shutdown of local train lines, including Arendalsbanen, portions of Sørlandsbanen and Vestfoldbanen farther north. State meteorologists had issued warnings of heavy snow accompanied by strong winds, and the storms set in as expected on New Year's Eve. By New Year's Day, transport of all types was disrupted, and thousands of residents in the southwestern county of Agder lost their electricity.
I knew with this so much snow, they are going to lose their electricity. And I love the way the government quickly acted up, and ambulances are just there just in case if anything goes wrong. Because these people, I'm not sure, they cannot even go out because the snow is so much. This snow is a blessing and a curse at the same time. I haven't experienced snow before. I want to experience snow someday, but I don't want snow this much. I'm just thinking about the people. How are they going to cope? How did they survive? And this happened just this year, January. I think on the 1st, during the new year, that was when this snowstorm happened.
The snow outside homes in Grimstad, better known as a popular summer holiday destination, was well above knee level, while downtown Kristiansand appeared all but inundated. Driving was otherwise discouraged all over southern Norway, with local mayors urging people to just stay home. Reduced service continued on important crosstown bus lines, but even the tram from downtown up to the hills at Frognerseteren, a popular skiing destination, had to shut down early Monday afternoon. The weather was worse along the coast than in the mountains, where many roads stayed open. Motorists had to wait in, long lines to join, escorted convoys.
Bak anne, son durum bu işte, bak. Gelin. Norveç'e gelmeyin, bak. Bak. Her taraf kar. Bak, 1 metre kar var.
State meteorologists extended their warnings for heavy snow and difficult transport conditions through Wednesday, when temperatures were due to plummet in line with a new cold front moving in. Oslo residents are among those warned of frigid temperatures well into next week.
Ned hit, og så kan han se selv, og vi har prøvd å ta oss inn derfra og derfra. Ja, nå skal jeg berge den ungen min her ut.
Honestly, guys, this is so much snow, so much. Like, how had, oh God, they just have to be in the house. Even the schools, they were shut down due to the snow. How are they doing now? I just hope they are doing better now. And I love how the government, they came on time to like help them, and they had to like shut down everywhere. They told everyone, stay in the house, don't go anywhere. And if you are from Norway and you are based in southern Norway, kindly tell us how the situation is at the moment. Is it stable at the moment? My prayers goes to you all. Please be careful out there. This snow, as I said earlier, it can be a blessing and a curse at the same time. And if there are more of Norway videos that you would love me to react on, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be willing to do that for you all. Like this video, share with whoever cares to listen. If you're new to the space, do not leave without subscribing. Subscribe on your way out to be part of this family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to cheer me up. See you all in the next one. Bye.